Nabisco biology. Now we are going to the part number 14 of the biological classification. We have previously studied about the asexual reproduction in the bacteria, which type of reproduction present in the bacteria. Now today we will start the sexual reproduction in bacteria like that. Sexual reproduction means the genetic recombination. Exactly mean that's a genetic recombination. It means that in bacteria, not a true sexual reproduction presence. Not a true sexual reproduction presence. And like that, never form gamete and never form and never formation of the zygote means absence of the fertilization. So there is the genetic recombination. We can say that the genetic recombination as the basic and particular term at the genetic recombination instead the sexual reproduction. What is a genetic recombination? Like that. Firstly, genetic recombination or the sexual reproduction uh, defined and proved by the Tatum and Tatum and 1946 and awarded the Nobel Prize for that work. There's a three types of sexual reproductions in presence in the bacteria. Now, first is the conjugation, and second is the transformation, and third the transduction. Let's see. Generally, we have to conclude and we have to summarize how conjugation means that when two bacteria like that two bacteria are come together and and its a genetic material pass on through the conjugation canal or conjugation tube. That's a like that a summary. We will study the in the next slide the details. And now next the transformation. Transformation means the genetic material is transferred from other cell but without any conjugation tube or without any conjugation canal. Clear? And next transduction. Transductions means you take a genetic material and import other cells like that are known as the transduction. So all three are different process of the sexual reproduction. How it is work like that. Now next slide is a conjugation. What is a conjugation? Conjugation types. Now, first discovered by this conjugation, firstly discovered by Lederberg and Tatum. And in bacterial stem, E. coli is called the K12. K12 is the examples of the E. coli. Found two strains means that Lederberg and Tatum work on E. coli for finding a conjugation. They found two types of strength of the bacteria. First is the exotroph, that's the nutritional mutant, and second the prototroph, that's a wild type. That's two major types of strength are found by them. Now next, also discovered by the other scientists of the conjugation like that Anderson 1957 Anderson 1957 observed bacteria under electron microscope. But finally, in 1966, Wallman and Jacob describe in detail of the conjugation. Like this is Wallach and Jacob said the conjugation are the dimorphic, means male is the F1 or is the donor okay, and female is the F minus, means recipient as the Male are donor means F plus. Where is F plus sign indicate the male? That's a donor. That's a donate a genetic material. Here F1 sign, F minus sign, that's indicate that female, that is the recipient, means that receives genetic material from the male, means from the donor cell, like that. Male or donor cell have 1 to 4 sex pili, means that that is a structure 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are maximum 4 and minimum 1. 1 to 4 sex pili presence on the bacterial surface and have the fertility factor. What is a fertility factor? Fertility factor like that transfer factor can say that, we can say that the sex factor and contain component. This factor contain the gene for producing the sex pili, means this sex pili are producing, are under control by the, it's a fertility factor. Next, both sex pili, both sex pili and fertility factor are absent in female or recipient cell. Very, very, very important. Means male have, male have fertility factor or fertility factor, but female doesn't have. Both factors are absent in the female because they are the recipient or because they are the donor. Clear? That's a conjugation. Okay, now next, let's see conjugation methods. How to gene exchange in the conjugation method, so by two. First the sterile male method and second fertile male method. Sterile male method and fertile male method, like that. Firstly, F1 means the donor cell, donor cell, donor cell, uh, firstly donor cell donate its genetic material to the female, means that F minus, F minus. Okay, resulting conjugation tube formation, that's a conjugation tube formation, and it's a plasmid, plasmid further already uh, form a copy, then transfer this copy into the F1, into the F minus, resulting F minus, resulting F minus become converted into F plus. Because of that fertility factor, because of that donor cell, uh, because of that donor cell have a fertility factor of plasmid are transferred into the female. So female, now female becoming in a, becoming convert in a F plus, like that female behave like the male. That's a sterile male method. Simple. When F plus and F are close together to form F minus, becomes convert into the F plus, means F minus means females behave like male. Okay. And second thing, when when plasmid are attached to the nucleoid, bacterial nucleoid that form the episome. This structure is known as the HFR cell. Because of that, here presence of the high frequency recombination, means that this type of cell, this type of male have the high frequency of the recombination resulting this pili are together and contact with the female, resulting this this episome are in small part of episome are transferred into the female through the conjugation canal, through the conjugation tube, resulting resulting this type of cell, resulting this type of female now never change in the important, now never change in the male. Means that female is a now retained female, now not becomes into the male. Because of that here not to true. That's why in first case transfer of the plasmid, but here not to transfer of the plasmid, here transfer of the nucleoid part only nucleoid part, not to the plasmid here. Here transfer of plasmid. So females behave like male, but here not a transfer of the plasmid. It's a transfer of the nucleoid. So females never change in a male. Means like that females remain females. Okay. Here, this type of cell known as the merozygote, means the new integrated system. Okay, and second thing is the transformation. What is the transformation? First time discovered by scientist Griffith in 1928, reported in the mice, and mechanism were worked out by Avery, MacLeod, McCarthy in 1944. Studied the transformation in the Diplococcus pneumoniae. We will detail discuss in the class 12th when we finding of the genetic material. Absorption, what the main function? Absorption of DNA segment from the surrounding medium by the living bacterium. The phenomena was discovered by Griffith and 1928 and supported by 19 Avery by the 1944 and his colleague. Transforming, that's the same his thing now. Transforming DNA from capsulated to non-capsulated bacterium. We will discuss about details in a class 12th. Class 12th. Okay. Now third is the transduction. What is transduction? Discovered by the Andy Zinder and Lederberg 1952 by the in bacteria Salmonella typhimurium. What is the DNA of bacterial cell is transferred into the another bacterial cell through the bacteriophage. Very important. This transition with the help of the bacteriophage. This bacteriophage is the what is the bacteriophage? The kind of the virus that the parasitic upon the bacteria. That is the we all studies about the sexual reproduction in the bacteria. Hope so all part is the clear. If not clear, you can comment me in a comment box. Okay, bye. Take care.